Welcome back to Shaving Down Under and another unboxing, and I have been hanging out for this to arrive. Wish they'd packed this a bit better. Anyway, here we go. So this is a Gillette fold-away. Let's have a look inside. You don't see, it's real hard to come across these in complete, just complete. So apparently this is a syringe of some sort, and I don't know too much how it works. Hopefully it's all there. I'm not 100% sure. We'll have to look into that. So this is why it's called a fold-away. Let's see. That one's a bit tight. So there you have your brush to shave with. Hard to tell, but looks close to unused. Let's open that back up. There we have folder brush, made USA. Sterilized. So here we have the handle. So the plating's in good nick. Turn this over. So in here made in USA. Let's focus up. So I would go close to say this hasn't been used. That's my call on it. Beautiful condition. And so also in there you put your blades. Put that back in there. Just lifts up. Oh, that must have folded under. Let's have a look at that. So that was the one that was quite stiff. Nope, I reckon that's not going to be it either. I'm going to have to research it on the Mr. Razor site. Anyway, that's... Well, that would go underneath there. No. Well, I'm not sure how this closes up, because that is definitely not right. But I shall research. I'll just take that out. And that latches. I'll show you. Just do it with a bit of a clean. So these do appear on the market from time to time on the bay. If they have paintwork, usually it's pretty ordinary, half scratched off. And inside, usually the brush is still with them. But this tube here is usually missing. I'm not sure how that works. I just don't want to break it. And so this is usually missing most of the times, and sometimes the razor is missing as well. So they're a real interesting little set, and I'm absolutely stoked I've now got one to add to my collection, especially one that's in such good condition. Okay, hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll catch you soon. Ciao for now.